Get ready to delve into the world of workplace safety. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore how effective safety management can actually boost your bottom line. We'll look at the surprising costs of work injuries and the areas where safety can lead to significant savings. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around. This information could save your company a lot of money. Did you know that effective safety management in the workplace can actually save you money? It's true. Not only does a strong safety culture promote a healthy environment that motivates workers, but it also helps you avoid preventable costs. Let's dive into how this works. First, let's talk about the cost of work injuries. They're expensive. In fact, in 2017, the National Safety Council estimated the total cost of work injuries to be a whopping $161.5 billion. This includes wage and productivity losses, medical expenses, administrative expenses, motor vehicle property damage, and employer costs. The cost per medically consulted injury was estimated to be $39,000, while the cost per fatality was $1.15 million, and in terms of operating time, 70 million days were lost due to injuries in that same year. Those are some staggering numbers. Now let's talk about savings through safety. While the returns may not always be explicit and might not be felt immediately, there are key areas where savings can be realized. First up, insurance premiums. These are greatly affected by the historical safety performance of an organization. Simply put, more injuries mean higher premiums. Next, we have worker replacement costs. Aside from the direct cost of the loss of a worker due to an injury, replacements and substitutes to cover for the loss also incur costs. Think about it. Additional training for replacements, and possibly overtime hours to cover the increased load, all add to the expenses shouldered by the employer. And finally, we have the loss of productivity. Accidents and injuries cause downtime. It takes time to complete investigations and root cause analysis procedures in the event of a serious accident. This period of inactivity can translate to a halt in operations, and therefore a loss of productivity. So as you can see, effective safety management is not just about protecting your workers, it's also a smart financial decision. By investing in safety, you're not only creating a healthier and more motivating environment for your workers, but you're also saving money by avoiding preventable costs. It's a win-win situation. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've discussed how effective safety management can boost your bottom line, the costs of work injuries, and how safety can lead to significant savings. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams. Until next time, stay safe and keep up the good work.